Hi, my name is Saira, and today I'd like to share with you my visit to Griffith Observatory. Griffith Observatory is located in Griffith Park in Los Angeles. As you enter Griffith Park, you'll see a statue of a man named Griffith J. Griffith, who is the founder of Griffith Park. Once you near the entrance of the observatory, you will see the Hollywood sign. This is a picture of my sister and I standing in front of the Astronomer's Monument. The Astronomer's Monument displays 6 famous astronomers, and this one here is astronomer Galileo. On the other side of the Astronomer's Monument is a sundial. Fun fact, it's also the observatory's 90th birthday. As you enter the building, the first thing you'll see is a Foucault pendulum. You will also see a portrait of Griffith J. Griffith in the main entrance area. Above the portrait is one of his most famous quotes: "If all mankind could look through that telescope, it would change the world." Griffith decided that every great city needed a great park. This is because he traveled around the world and he saw that many amazing cities had awesome parks. So he wanted to donate something back to his hometown, Los Angeles. He decided to donate many acres of land to create Griffith Park. If you walk into the hallway on the left-hand side, the first thing you will see is a Tesla coil. The Tesla coil converts low voltage, alternating current electricity to very high voltage and was built to create electricity without wires. You can also see the 12-inch 𝐊𝐤𝐽 telescope. At nighttime, they bring this telescope up to the roof of the observatory, and you're allowed to look through it. Did you know the first astronomical telescope of Los Angeles is inside Griffith Observatory? Why did Griffith J. Griffith want to have an observatory in Griffith Park? Well, when he was younger, he looked through a telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, and that basically changed his whole perspective of life. The only problem was that not many people were allowed to see that telescope, only people that had lots of money. So he decided to make a place where everybody, not just the wealthy, could see and look through different telescopes and learn about science. When you're on the balcony of the Griffith Observatory, you can see other parts of the park. You will see a hiking trail that people could hike on. In this exhibit, there's a huge wall that will show you where every planet is in the solar system and how close they are to the sun. Then, if you go down the ramp, you'll end up in the cafe. There's also a gift shop opposite of the cafe. After we ate at the cafe, we went to the meteorite exhibit. I was able to actually hold a real meteorite. It's a lot heavier than you think. This is a 330-pound iron meteorite. Before this object was identified as a meteorite in 2022, no meteorite had been found in the Los Angeles area. You can also see a huge model of the moon. You can step on a scale that will tell you how much you'd weigh on the moon. My sister and I together would weigh approximately 30 pounds on the moon. In the downstairs area, there's a statue of Albert Einstein. There are also models of the planets hanging from the walls. The closest one to the sun is on the left-hand side, Mercury, and the farthest one from the sun is downstream on the right. This concludes my visit to Griffith Observatory. You should definitely plan a visit to the observatory. You can learn so many different things. Bye!